curb rash. This right here can really ruin your day. But in this episode of DIY Repairs, I'm going to show you in a couple of easy steps just how easy it is to fix. Stay tuned. So today we're dealing with some curb rash. As you can see right here, ran up and kissed the curb just a little bit. So I'm going to show you what you need to fix it. And it's not going to take you a lot of time. It's going to be fairly quick. Basically what you'll need some wet dry sandpaper. I got the 180 grit. And then I picked up, because I have a paint finish on my lip here, I picked up some dupli-color scratch fill all-in-one paint. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to sand the lip down. You're going to get it nice and smooth. It's going to get rid of the imperfections that you get from running your rims up against the curb inadvertently. It's going to get rid of all the raised areas. So you just hit that with the sandpaper. And as you can see, I'll bring it in closer for you. That area is nice and smooth now. So what you want to do now at this point, you did all this sanding, so you're going to have a lot of the dust on the rim itself. So before you apply the paint, what you want to do, you want to wipe that dust off, because it's going to prevent the paint from adhering to the rim. So give it a good wipe, and after you wipe the dust off, it's time to apply the paint. So what I do, I try to do one continuous motion. With the one continuous motion, it prevents the blockiness and the raised look of the paint. Now that it's dried a little bit, I'm going to apply one more coat. Like I said, one continuous motion while applying that paint. So now that the paint has had a chance to dry, I'm going to use the other end of the applicator, which has clear coat in it. So I'm going to rub the clear coat over that paint to even it out, to give it a clear look and to even out to match the rest of the rim. Now, if you look at that spot, you cannot tell really where the curb rash was. So as you can see, your curb rash went from looking like this to looking like this. A little bit of sandpaper, some touch-up paint, you're well on your way. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of DIY Repairs. If you like what you see, please rate, comment, and subscribe down below. And turn on your notifications, because at least weekly I'm going to be posting some DIYs that I may be doing, either on my vehicle, on my house, or any other project that I might be working on. Keep checking back. Have a good one.